Hey guys, it's Joe Frassico and welcome back to my new YouTube channel. I know it's been a while, but you guys remember this old Ford here? Check this out. Oh man. Woo! Living it up. I still don't have the interior in it yet. They want it back, so like I got the dome light still sitting here. I got the radio wiring because you got to take off that panel there and it runs all the way up there like that. So that ain't happening right now because they want it back, but everything works. We got indicators. Oh man, I am so happy. Courtesy lights work, all that stuff. Tack works, oil pressure. We even put a cigarette lighter in for them, so that way they can charge their cell phone and stuff while they're driving. This thing has been a task, so to say. I know it's kind of hard to see, but all brand new wiring. All of it. I had to run it all, splice it, make sure all the circuits work, everything. Car runs and drives. I'm happy with it, and hopefully the customer is too until they bring it back for some other stuff. So thanks for checking it out, and don't forget to like and subscribe.